National Statistics Day ga mari lainana Harnessing Statistics for Inclusive and Sustainable Development, a multidisciplinary approach haibi hiramda Nongmagi Oiba National Seminar among ase Manipur University da Pangthok-Khre. Manipur University ke Department of Statistics na sillaga Department asigi Conference Hall da pangthokpa thauram aduda MU gi Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra amadi Department of Statistics ke hanagi Head Professor K.H. Kumar Chan susar yakhe. Mahairoi amadi Ozasingna saruk yaduna pangthokkiba thauram aduda leibak asigi maming leiraba statistician Laikhidraba Professor Prasant Chandra Mahala Novice ke mafamda leishu katuna kaikunaba utke. Thauram aduga mari lainana MU Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra na hai Nation gi thakta Statistics Day gi thauram pangthokpagi maramde Laikhidraba Professor Prasant Chandra Mahala Novice na Statistics ki lamda kathokpa amaga loinana thauram khiba thabak thauram sing ngasigi mirolda khanghanbane. Economic Planning gi damak Professor Prasant Chandra na honaramba thabak thoram seng ningsing bahibase maru oiba amane. Ngasi Statistics Day ga mari lainana pangthokliba National Seminar asina mahairoi singda anoba wakhalon kaya ama piba ngamlagani haina Professor N Lokendra na makhatana fungdokhe.
The Ministry of Statistics is commemorating this anniversary with symbolic initiative, a commemorative coin, a special postage stamp, the Sustainable Development Goals Progress Report, and the launch of GOI State along with awards and the data visualization hackathon to shine a light on statistical innovation. As we commemorate National Statistics Day, let us take a moment to reflect on the legacy of Professor Prasant Kumar Simhalanovis, whose pioneering work had laid the foundation for the statistical framework we rely on today. His vision continues to guide our efforts as we navigate the complexities of rapidly changing world.